Another awesome sunny day here outside of Tempe, Arizona. Stop filming me! Tempe, Arizona is full of adventure, from throwing axes in the city to escaping to some more rugged terrain. This was definitely a fun place to visit. I'm your host, Monica Ortega, and I'm going to show you some Arizona adventure. So today I am so excited because I'm doing something that I've never done before, mountain biking. Where's the mountain? Alright, so I'm here with Denny from AOA Adventures, and he's about to take us mountain biking. So you want to tell us a little bit about the company? How long has it been going?
Yeah, the company's like 22 years old.
Okay.
We take people mountain biking, and we take people that know how, and then people like yourself, you just commented that you're novice. So
I've never done it before.
Yeah, that's right. We even take little kids because we actually have 300 bikes at our shop.
Oh, cool.
This morning we'll go for a ride here at Papago Park.
So no cliffs that we're going to fall off or anything?
No.
All right, we're
nothing
good.
Wild and crazy. Yeah.
Papago Park is just minutes from downtown Tempe and a great place to try mountain biking with little elevation and wide open spaces. We're gonna go throw some axes. What did you do today? Drank some beer and threw a bunch of axes? No big deal. That's my fault. Lumberjax's is Tempe's first competitive axe throwing facility. With 8 lanes and 16 throwing areas, you'll get plenty of practice. But we kick things off with some coaching from a true axpert. And some people picked it up right away. And then there's me. So close! And let's go. Step. It's literally the fairy. And we even got the full-on lumberjacks experience. If you rip it in action, it will be even better for the video. so the cowgirl in me is super pumped because I am here at the Gila River Indian Reservation to go horseback riding. How long have you guys been doing horseback riding out here?
Roughly about 16 years.
Okay. This trail ride was unlike any other I've ever been on. Not only are the horses allowed to roam free out of a line, but learning all about the Gila River Indian community was amazing.
So we're actually the third largest reservation in the country. Basically have our own government here. So that's how we make laws to better run this community here.
That's interesting, I didn't know that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so we act separately from the state of Arizona. We have 33 enterprises that operate on this reservation. So they came here to live along the river just to kind of start their own people, start their own way of life. And they became Akimol A'atam. Akimol A'atam means river people. The two tribes became one and started to live together. We named the reservation the Gila River Indian Community after the river we share, not the people that we are.
And we got some not so factual information.
Yeah, the problem we have is the snakes actually, the horses will step in a bush and the snake actually wraps around and starts pulling on the horse's leg.
Oh.
Yeah, like I'm pulling on your leg right now. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Get it? See, I am very gullible.
Yeah, sometimes if you look around, you can see wild horses out there.
Oh, like that?
Like that. So this herd in particular here, they live wild. They are wild horses. There's a little baby right here too, right in front.
I saw one laying down. Oh yeah. Oh, look at him.
Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful.
Let me go. I got this. That was really cool. That was really interesting, especially to like learn about the history of the people around here, and yeah, just a lot of really cool information that I've never gotten on any other horseback ride. So very awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.